Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they can't stay strong. Have you ever seen someone lift heavy once, maybe twice, and then completely lose power? Or someone who can move for a long time, but with no real strength behind it? Here's the real question. What if you didn't have to choose between strength and stamina? What if your muscles could stay powerful even when they start getting tired? That's what we're building today. Welcome to day 23 of 15-Minute Physique. Today is not about one perfect rep. It's about repeated quality output. Strength endurance hybrid training teaches your muscles to produce force again and again without breaking form. When strength meets endurance, performance changes. And by the end of this workout, you will feel that difference. The structure is simple. 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest. Smooth rhythm, controlled breathing. No rushing, no sloppy reps. If your muscles begin to burn but your movement stays clean, that's where adaptation happens. The first movement is the squat to calf raise flow. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Sit down into a controlled squat while keeping your chest upright and heels grounded. As you stand back up, rise onto your toes into a calf raise before lowering your heels again. Then immediately go into the next squat. Keep the movement smooth and continuous for 40 seconds. This trains the legs to produce force repeatedly from the squat and then stabilize through the calves. It improves lower body stamina and teaches the muscles to stay active without fully relaxing. After 20 seconds of rest, move into push-up to shoulder tap. Perform a controlled push-up by lowering your body with control and pressing back up. At the top position, tap one shoulder with the opposite hand, then the other shoulder. Then go into the next push-up. Keep your hips stable and avoid twisting. This movement builds upper body endurance while forcing the core to stabilize during fatigue. The repeated push and stabilize pattern is what builds strength that lasts longer than a few reps.
Next are alternating reverse lunges performed continuously. Step one leg back into a lunge and return to standing, then immediately step the other leg back. Keep the rhythm steady without pausing between sides. Make sure the front knee stays aligned with the foot and your torso stays upright. Continue for the full 40 seconds. This trains the legs to handle repeated force production while maintaining balance and control. Athletic stamina improves when muscles learn to recover while still moving. After resting, transition into plank to push-up transitions. Start in a forearm plank position with elbows under shoulders and body straight. Press one hand into the floor, then the other, lifting into a high plank. Lower back down to forearms, one arm at a time. Continue alternating the lead arm. Move steadily, not fast. This movement challenges upper body strength and core endurance at the same time. The repeated transitions increase fatigue resistance in the shoulders and chest while forcing the core to stay engaged. The final movement is slow high knees march without jumping. Stand tall and lift one knee up to hip height in a controlled manner, then lower it and switch sides. Keep the movement steady and continuous, almost like marching in place with purpose. Swing your arms naturally, but stay controlled. This increases conditioning while remaining quiet and joint-friendly. The goal is not speed, but sustained movement under light tension. Now you feel it. Your muscles are tired, your breathing is deeper, but your movement is still strong and controlled. And that answers the question from the beginning. Real performance is not about one explosive moment. It's about staying explosive again and again. Strength that fades quickly is incomplete, but strength that lasts changes everything. Today, your body learned how to produce force under repeated demand, and that improves athletic conditioning, daily stamina, and resilience under fatigue. You are not just stronger, you are stronger for longer. And now the next question is, what happens when we sharpen this repeated strength into precision and control? That's where day 24 takes us. Recover well, hydrate, and get ready. Day 23 is complete.